Today we are at Hidden Falls Adventure Park in Central Hill Country, Texas. This is another Badge of Honor park. I think there isn't one specific trail that's Badge of Honor, it's just the whole entire park. This park I'm a little excited about because it's more rock crawling versus the OHV park that we just came from, which is more mudding. So it's a beautiful day out. So far we're the only ones here, except for one other stock Gladiator so far. And so far what we're coming across is like true rock crawling. Big steps, big drops. Too tippy, is it? Nah.
If you turn driver,
right, it's not tippy enough.
Because your driver is going to drop a lot sooner than your passenger. So if you come down it more straight on.
It feels like it's crazy tippy. Is it not? Is it not as crazy as it looks?
I don't think so. I think it might be once your front tire comes down, because your front tire is going to drop like this much.
I really wanted to try this, but no, we have to be responsible, I guess. Besides, we're really trying to drive this thing out of here. Not even 30 minutes at this place, and I can already tell that it has a lot to offer. This is the level 2 rated North Pole Trail.
So I guess
come to think of it, there may have been a bypass for this. This is Bronco Buster. This is a 4 out of 5 diamond, so let's see what we can find in this one. trail is super cool because you're like way down in. These are the kind of trails where it's easy to get inside your head and kind of freak out a little bit, saying like, how the hell am I going to get out of here? But with these adventure parks, they cut this in. It's a full-size trail. It's maintained. So there's a way in and there's a way out. So you just kind of have to take it easy and just enjoy it, because this is
it's so pretty in here.
This is freaking really cool.
That was easy.
I'm not entirely sure where we're at this point. If you happen to know, let us know in the comments below. All I knew was I really wanted to climb these ledges, but that Texas rock is way different than anything else that we've ever come across out west.
Bar? Better line?
Yeah. I don't know. Jeep.
These ledges were challenging because both the front and back tires would get caught at the same exact time. It was just a matter of working to find the right line.
Yeah.
So your rear driver tire is getting sucked into that. Don't you try moving that rock there?
Yeah. That was a pretty legitimate little climb right there.
That was it. We don't know where we're at?
No, don't know where we're at, but we had to stack a rock to even get up, and we're kind of built, so I think it just gives you an idea of the difficulty of some of the trails at this place are pretty legit. So so far so good. We got up, and we are going to stop for lunch real quick at the top of this hill, and then we are going to get back on our way and find some harder trails. Hidden Falls gets a thumbs up.
Yeah.
We're definitely going to be back here. We didn't get to spend but 3-4 hours here, not even that. We did a couple moderate trails, we did a couple of the harder trails. We saved the crazy hard stuff because we're just by ourselves.
Yeah.
We're trying to take it easy, trying to do the adult responsible thing here. But yeah, this place is pretty amazing. They have a nice gift shop.
Yeah, and you know, like little basic things that you might need on their site. It says basically they want to keep you on the trail.
Right.
So bare minimum to try to get you fixed up, or snacks and drinks, and
Yeah.
so that you don't have to leave and
Yeah.
do things.
But you can camp here. I think it's dispersed camping. I think they got electrical connections on some of them, maybe.
Nothing fancy.
They got trash cans here. They got an air up station here, so you can air up.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a car wash station now. That would be cool.
They said they can't on their site. It says they can't because EPA regulations or something.
Bummer. Well, anyways, gotta go find a car wash. But the place was fun,
Yeah.
and we're definitely gonna come back. It's definitely on our places to bring a group to.
Yeah, we need more people with us because there's a lot of stuff that looks like a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh.
But
Took a lot of restraint to pass the stuff up.
yeah.
But that pretty much concludes our Texas wheeling tour. Only 3 videos this time.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna get back again and do this when it warms up a little bit. Maybe add to this playlist. But if you're ever thinking about Hidden Falls, then definitely make a trip out.
Yep. Hidden Falls, thumbs up. And we need to plan our trip back with the group.
Yes. So that's it for us. We will see you on the next episode.